Hi everyone. Here's my idea of how to use QR codes in the classroom. One thing that I like to use QR codes for is for differentiation. And the way you might set this up is, for example, you have your weekly literacy lessons. So what you would do, as opposed to writing out the assignments on the blackboard or posting them on the smartboard or handing out assignments in paper format to the students, what you would do is you would go on a QR reader website and you would create your QR codes by typing out assignment instructions and creating a QR code for that assignment instruction. So for example, if you had 4 reading groups, you would create 4 sets of QR codes, and each QR code would correspond to a different assignment direction, and they could be leveled and differentiated. For content, process, product, they could address the needs of your high, middle, low learners. And so you would make copies for however many students you have in each group. So if you had 4 different QR codes and you had, say, 6 students in each group, then you'd have 24 different QR codes. And if you could either just cut them up and hand them out on a piece of paper, you could glue them to an index card and hand them out to your students. You could obviously copy and paste the QR codes and send them to your students' email or to your students' Google Drives. Whatever way is easiest for you to disseminate them. Then all your students would have to do is, when they get their QR code, is just scan it. They have their assignment instruction. It's automatically differentiated for them, and it's individualized, and it's no one really knows what the other person is doing, or the group is doing. So it allows them to be very independent, and it also allows you to differentiate without making a big deal over who has perhaps a harder assignment, who has an easier one. Which one is more difficult, which one's quicker, so on and so forth. So think about perhaps maybe what would be some easy ways for you to create, store, and then eventually hand out these QR codes on a regular basis for differentiation. Is it easy for you to print them out and hand them out like I explained, or do you think would it be easy to, if your school has wikis or uses Moodle, or if you have your online, even your online class webpage, could you post group 1, 2, 3, 4 and post the QR codes online, have the students scan the computer screen? Just think about what might be easy for you, and that was my idea for using QR codes and differentiation.